You know, life has a funny way of breaking you. And somehow in those broken pieces, you find your truth. Sparkles when I look back at my journey. I don't see tragedy. I see transformation, Rose, because sometimes the fall is what teaches you how to fly. Ah! Dove thought balloon. There was a time when I believed life was only beautiful when it was perfect. Perfect health, perfect plans, perfect dreams. But life had its own plan. Broken heart, a plan that shattered my body but awakened my soul. Sunrise when I woke up in that hospital bed, I couldn't feel my legs. I couldn't feel my dreams. And I thought, oh, why me? Why would life take away everything I had ever loved? Pensive face, but days turned into nights. Nights turned into months. And slowly, something began to change inside me. Pain became my teacher. Candle silence became my guide. Crescent moon and gratitude became my prayer. Folded hands fire when you lose everything. You finally learn what truly matters. It's not your appearance, not your status, not your perfect plans. It's your purpose. Because when you live with purpose, even pain becomes sacred. Suga. Cherry blossom red fire. I remember the first time I looked in the mirror after the accident. I didn't recognize the woman staring back. The scars, the wheelchair, the stillness. But then, I smiled. Sunflower because I realized my scars were proof that I had survived. They were not signs of weakness. They were symbols of strength. High voltage to everyone watching in America tonight. Maybe you're sitting in your car, wondering why life feels heavy. Maybe you've lost someone. Maybe your dreams are fading. Listen to me. Your pain is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of your becoming. Sunrise over mountains speech balloon when I speak about courage. I'm not talking about fighting dragons or climbing mountains. I'm talking about the courage to wake up every morning, to face your fears, to forgive life for not going your way. Broken record because the truth is, you don't have to be unbroken to be beautiful. You don't have to walk to move forward. You don't have to be whole to inspire the world. Globe showing Europe, Africa, rainbow I used to paint before my accident. But after it, I began to paint again. This time, from my soul. Every brushstroke carried a prayer. Every color carried my pain. And soon, the canvas became my mirror, reflecting not my wounds but my will. Artist Sparkle's musical note, I found purpose in the middle of chaos. I found hope in the middle of heartbreak. And I found strength in the middle of silence. That's what purpose does. It transforms pain into power. Dizzy when you live with purpose. Even your tears start shining. Droplet sparkles, even your scars start glowing. And every wound becomes a window to your light. Glowing star red, there's something magical about acceptance. When you stop fighting what happened, and start trusting why it happened. That's when life begins to make sense again. Tulip fire, I don't believe life punishes us. I believe life prepares us. And maybe your struggle isn't there to break you. Maybe it's there to wake you up. Sunrise thought balloon, I've met so many people who look alive but are not living. They have everything, yet they feel nothing. Because real living doesn't begin when everything is perfect. It begins when you start finding beauty in imperfection. Dizzy sparkles to my friends watching in the USA. You live in a country of dreams, of innovation, of strength, United States, but remember, the greatest revolution is not outside. It's within. Collision when you rise from your pain. You don't just change your life, you change the world. Globe showing Europe, Africa, Dove, maybe you're broken today. Maybe your heart is tired. But trust me, even the most beautiful stories are written in tears. Don't rush your healing. Don't rush your healing. Don't hide your scars. Let them speak for you. Droplet sparkling because the world doesn't need perfect people. It needs real ones. Globe showing America's dizzy so. If you're hurting tonight, I want you to repeat after me. I'm not my pain, I'm not my past, I am the purpose that rose from it. Fire red because your greatest tragedy can become your greatest testimony. Your biggest fall can become your biggest rise, and your scars can become your wings. Butterfly collision life broke me, yes, but it also rebuilt me, piece by piece. And now, I shine brighter because of the cracks, sparkles. Crescent moon, sometimes silence is the loudest sound in the world. It echoes through the walls of your soul, thought balloon. It asks questions words can't answer, dove. And it heals wounds time forgot sparkling heart when the world gets quiet. You finally hear yourself again. The heartbeat, the breath, the whisper that says, keep going. Dizzy for me, silence was not loneliness, it was discovery. When everything around me stopped, the noise, the rush, the chaos, I found something priceless inside. Peace. Cherry blossom fire I used to fear being alone. Now I cherish it. Because solitude is not emptiness. It's the space where strength is born. Sunrise, thought balloon, when I sat in that hospital room staring at the ceiling for months. I realized that silence can either destroy you or define you. You decide. I chose to let it define me. Hibiscus, I listened to my thoughts. Some cruel, some kind. And I learned that the voice inside you shapes your destiny far more than the voices around you. Sparkle so, my dear friends, across the ocean water wave. If life has forced you to slow down, don't fight it. Sometimes God pauses your life so you can tune back into your soul. Folded hands, red fire, silence taught me gratitude. It taught me to thank life, even for the pain. Because every breath I still had meant there was a purpose still waiting. Candle, every sunrise whispered, or still here. That means there's something beautiful left for you. Sun dizzy in those quiet hours, I found creativity again. My painting spoke louder than any words I could say. Artist palette, each stroke was a prayer. Each color a heartbeat. I was no longer painting to impress. I was painting to express. Sparkling heart rainbow, and that's when I realized art, music, words, they all heal in silence. What the? You don't have to shout your strength. Let your peace do the talking. Sunflower high voltage people often ask me, "Oh Muniniba, how do you stay positive?" I tell them, I'm not positive because life is easy. I'm positive because life is hard. Flex biceps because every struggle reminds me that I'm still fighting, and that's beautiful. Speech balloons sometimes, silence feels heavy. But even in that heaviness, there's grace. The kind that grounds you. The kind that tells you, breathe, you're doing just fine. Vine thought balloons, so tonight, if you're lying awake in silence, don't run from it. Listen to it. There's a message in that stillness meant only for you. Love letter, glowing star, remember. The flower doesn't make noise when it blooms, cherry blossom. The sun doesn't shout when it rises. Sun strength doesn't always roar. Sometimes it simply breathes. Herb crescent moon, people think strength looks loud. A roar, a war cry, a crowd cheering, clapping hands. But real strength is the quiet whisper that says, I'll try again tomorrow. Thought flex, the world loves to celebrate the moment you win trophy. But no one sees the nights you cried yourself to sleep, crying face. No one hears the prayers. You whisper in the dark, folded hands. Those are the moments that shape you. Not the trophies, not the applause, not the applause. Fire, I learned that when everything around you falls silent, you start to hear your soul asking simple questions. Or what do you really want? Or what are you truly grateful for? Who are you becoming? Dizzy, sparkling heart, I had to answer those questions honestly. And when I did, I realized I wasn't just living to survive anymore. I was living to serve. Globe showing Europe, Africa, the silence taught me empathy. When you've known pain, you recognize it in others. You see it in their eyes, even when they smile. And you understand that kindness is not weakness, it's power. Hibiscus dove, sometimes silence is your classroom. You learn lessons no book can teach. Open book. You learn patience, surrender, humility. You learn that you can't control everything, but you can control your response. Dizzy thought balloon in my silence, I forgave life. I forgave myself. And that's when healing began. Red high voltage to my friends across the United States. You live in a world that never stops talking, never stops moving. There's always a notification, a message, a noise. Mobile speech, but promise me something. Take at least 5 minutes each day to be completely silent. Close your eyes, breathe, and ask your heart, what do I need today? Cherry blossom, because when you honor your silence, you meet your truth. Rainbow, I discovered that I didn't need to shout to be heard. My wheelchair didn't make me smaller. It made my message louder. Because the volume of your voice doesn't define your impact. The truth in your words does. Gemstone fire, so speak softly, but speak truth. Stand still, but stand strong, and let your silence thunder louder than words. I tornado dizzy when you sit alone in silence long enough. You realize that happiness was never out there. It was always within. It's in the way you forgive. It's in the way you start again. It's in the way you choose peace over pride. Red pain has a strange way of making you wise. It strips away illusions. It shows you who you are when no one is watching. It teaches you that peace is not the absence of chaos, it's the mastery of it. Sunrise thought balloons soaked in night. If you find yourself lost in quiet thoughts, remember, silence is not your enemy, it's your rebirth. Sparkling heart, the same silence that once scared you, will one day become your sanctuary. Crescent moon, sunflower, you are allowed to rest. You are allowed to pause. You are allowed to be silent and still be strong. Flex because growth doesn't always happen in noise. Sometimes it blooms in the hush between two heartbeats. Beating sparkles. There came a day when silence wasn't enough anymore. Thought balloon, I had learned from it. I had healed in it. But now it was time to speak. Speaking fire, because when you survive something that was meant to destroy you, you don't stay quiet. You share it. So others know they can survive. Two flex sparkles rainbow the first time I spoke in front of people after the accident. My hands were shaking, my voice was trembling, and my heart whispered, "You're not ready." Beating heart, but another voice deep within said, "This is your moment." High voltage, so I spoke. Not with perfection, not with polish, but with truth. Rose in that truth, connected. People cried, people smiled, people felt. Muddy. Sparkling heart, because no matter where we are from, Pakistan, America, anywhere in this wide world globe, showing Europe, Africa, we all share one language, the language of pain and hope. Sparkles thought balloon, I realized that my story wasn't about me anymore. It was about everyone who had ever been told you can't. Everyone who ever thought their life was over when it was really just beginning. Seedling fire, I wasn't born confident. I became confident when I stood up for the first time inside my heart. Red fire. You don't need perfect circumstances to be brave. You just need one honest reason to begin. Flex up his upside because sometimes people tell me, "Amuniba, you inspire us." And I smile, because what they don't realize is, they inspire me. Sunflower, every person who refuses to give up, every single one who chooses light and darkness. They remind me why I speak. Dizzy direct hit. I want you to imagine something right now. Close your eyes for a second, metaphorically winking face. You wake up one morning and everything you planned for your life is gone. Crossmark your dreams, scattered. Your plans, erased. Your identity, lost. Eh? That's what happened to me when I was only 21. One accident, one moment, and I lost my ability to walk forever. But do you know what I realized? I might have lost my body strength, but I found my soul strength. Red fire thought balloon, I used to think success meant standing tall in the world. Now I know success means standing strong in your heart. Sparkling heart, because even when you can't move your legs, you can still move the world with your words, your art, your voice. Artist microphone, every scar on my body tells a story. Not of pain, but of power. High voltage, every tear I shed turned into wisdom. Wisdom. To Every moment of darkness taught me how to glow. Crescent sparkles clapperboard, people see me on stage, smiling, inspiring, motivating. They say, "Oh, Manima, you're so strong." But they don't see the nights when I cried until my pillow was soaked. Crying broken, they don't see the moments when I wanted to give up. But every single time I remembered, Rose, this too shall pass. Because life never stays the same. Sunrise when it's dark. Remember, dawn is on its way. Sun with face fire, so I told myself, I can sit here and complain about everything I lost, or I can stand up with my spirit and rebuild myself. Dove, and that's what I did. I started painting again. I started speaking again. I started living again. Dizzy, not the life I wanted, but the life I was chosen for. Raising hands, speech balloon, you see. The world will try to define you by what you can do. They'll tell you, you're too weak, you're too different, you're too broken. But remember, diamonds are made under pressure. Gem fire, so the next time someone doubts you, smile. Slightly smiling face, because their doubt is your invitation to prove them wrong. Rocket artist palette. When I picked up a paintbrush after my accident, my hands were trembling. I couldn't hold it properly. But I told myself, let's just begin. Paintbrush, that's all you need to do in life. Begin. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. A seedling, because once you take that first step, life starts to open doors you never even knew existed. Door sparkles rainbow, my paintings became my therapy. Lamba. Each color I used was a reflection of my soul. Blue for calmness, yellow for hope, red for strength. I painted my pain, and it turned into power. Artistic fire, when I shared my art with the world, I realized something beautiful. People don't connect with perfection. They connect with authenticity. 100 points when you show your wounds, your truth, your real self. That's when you inspire others. Raising hands microphone, I remember the first time I was invited to speak on stage after my recovery. I was scared. My hands were shaking. I thought, oh, I might just speak about strength. Pensive face, but then I looked at my reflection and said, who am I not to? Collision, I rolled onto that stage, in my wheelchair. And for the first time, I didn't hide my scars. I owned them. Glowing star, and when I spoke, I saw people crying, smiling, feeling. That's when I realized our pain has a purpose when we share it. Fire, so here's what I want you to remember. You are not your circumstances. You are not your failures. You are not your limitations. Prohibited, you are a story you choose to tell yourself. Dove, if you say, I'm broken, life will break you more. But if you say, I'm unstoppable, life will move mountains for you. Mountain fire dizzy sometimes, we wait for big miracles. But the truth is, small miracles happen every single day. The fact that you're breathing right now, that's a miracle. That's a miracle. Win the fact that you can smile despite your pain. That's strength. The fact that you can love after heartbreak, that's courage. Red, so never underestimate your daily victories. Because those are what make you unbreakable. Gemstone, thought balloon, there's a code I live by. Don't die before your death. Or don't die before your death. Candle, and I mean that. So many people are alive, but not living. They wake up, go to work, come back, complain, sleep, repeat. They stop feeling alive. But if you can find joy even in the smallest moments, if you can laugh, cry, love, dream, you are living. Sunflower globe showing Europe, Africa. When I started sharing my story globally, I met people who had everything. Money, fame, beauty. It has everything to do with gratitude. Folded hands, so every day I wake up and say, thank you, God, for giving me one more chance. Red, because life is a gift, even when it's wrapped in pain. Wrapped gift, you can either see the thorns or the roses. Rose, you can either complain or create. But create, you can either give up or grow up. Seedling sparkles fire. And yes, I still have bad days. There are days I feel weak. There are days I cry for no reason. Pensive droplet, but those days remind me I'm human. And being human means you're perfectly imperfect, and that's okay. Two hearts because real beauty is not in a flawless face. It's in a fearless heart. Red fire sparkles, so my message to you, my friend. Don't wait for the storm to pass. Learn to dance in the rain. Umbrella woman, don't hide your scars. Wear them proudly. They are the medals of your survival. Sports medal, and remember, when life pushes you down, roll forward. Right? Because as long as you're breathing, your story isn't over. Open fire, sparkling heart, this is not the end of my journey. It's just another chapter. And I promise you, your story matters too. So rise, shine, speak, live, love. And most importantly, be unapologetic you, glowing sparkles.